single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Levels of Styles with Sandra. Today I am participating in a collaboration hosted by Tammy Thompson of TVMG. Now this is Festival of Trees 2020. Tammy asked us to create a tree and to tell what was our inspiration. A lot of you may not know this about me, but I have an inspiration wall leading down into my basement area. And it is a few quotes that have inspired me while decorating my tree. So I'm just going to read to you my quotes of inspiration. So here we go. First off, to take leaps of faith in your life, to dream big and have hope. Believe that God is with you and encourage yourself when no one else will. Dance like no one is watching. Dare to be different. Live every moment and continue to shine. Thank you, Tammy, for hosting this collaboration. Thank you all for stopping by. Please be blessed and be a blessing to someone else. And I will see you guys the very next time I upload. Happy holidays.